I have $100 to give away to the first person that catches me slacking. For a while now, I've really wanted to start posting more on YouTube. I shoot videos for a living, yet I've done 0 passion projects myself in the past few years. I've always thought that creativity thrives in limitation though, so I'm gonna set some constraints for myself. I'm committing right now to post 50 videos to this YouTube channel by the end of 2026. Not shorts, not reels, main channel, horizontal videos. They can be any length, on any topic, but they need to be unique and separate uploads. I'll post the number out of 50 in the description of each video so you know if it qualifies. But then come January 1st, 2027, Eastern Standard Time, if I've not posted my 50th video of the year, I will personally mail this $100 bill to the first person that comments about it. It'll need to be on the most recent video I've uploaded with a number out of 50, but all I need to say is, I'm here to collect my 100. My videos will most likely be behind the scenes of the film industry, vlog style, tips and tricks, personal opinions, but I might expand with the occasional mini doc or outside interview. We'll just have to see where things go. Everyone always tells you to bet on yourself, so I'm taking that advice literally. I have a lot of ideas for this year already, and I'm really excited to get them started, but I've never done anything like this before, so the odds of me failing this challenge are actually pretty high. If you want to root for me, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want to root against me, maybe do the same, but turn on notifications so you can be the first one to comment come next January. Either way, thanks for watching. Let's get to it.